me see. Increase the volume. Pella, don't make me be like that now. My volume too low. Tell me if it's too high right now. Filter. Come on, guys. So what we're doing today, we're trying to call your man, so we see if ever your man is gonna be loyal, and then the girls are gonna be talking to your man. No, you guys can hear me because it's TikTok, but I'm talking about Twitch because we're live also on Twitch. If you wanna see everyone that I'm with, go live on Twitch right now. My name is Joseph Daddy by Twitch. Just say Joseph Daddy by Twitch is gonna take you to me. So let's go. So we're gonna call your man with the girls, and then the Twitch is low. Yeah. The exposure is too much, fairly. Brother, can you switch off that live? Sorry. I just the lighting. Come, I just the lighting, bro. You can't say I just the lighting. Yeah. Sorry, guys. The other light was on. The mic. Let's go. Let me know. Still too low. Let me know. Yeah, now the exposure is better. What are you saying? The mic volume is still too low. Guys, I'm increasing literally. Let me just listen to it. But if I get to the mic like this, you guys hear me, right? You are high, my God. Thank you, sir. I can't deny the highness, man. Nah, come on. Like that is good, right? Yeah, so my Twitch said I should tell you guys to come right now on Twitch because we're gonna move here on TikTok. So, but here I'm here to get the numbers. Yeah, if you wanna test your person with the girls, please, man, right now, send your numbers and your person's number. So we're gonna call you and call your person, both of you guys. So the girls are gonna flirt with your guy to see if he's not gonna fall in. But we need like more. You gotta no, don't send the numbers, don't send the numbers on the TikTok. Send the numbers on my DM. Your number and your person's number. Okay. Audio. Pella, now I can't hold the mic. My sister, you know what? Yeah, I'm trying to hold it. Can you just take it out there and then bring it that way, and then I'll hold it. I'll hold the mic, guys. I'll come on. So right now, send us then your number and your person's number. We're gonna call you guys both, and then we see if ever who said slow, Lena?